Hi to everyone guys, and I have a new video. Today's video will be from my hotel room. This is the long story, so if you want to hear about that, how I was searching for some apartments, and in the end right now I'm staying in the hotel room, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because in one of my vlogs I will tell you that story. But today, what is the topic? I want to speak with you about indicators. As you know that I'm the fan of the robots, but still a lot of the people, they are using indicators. Why? First of all, they like to trade manually. The second option, indicators really can help you to identify the market in the proper way. Very important point to understand: to identify the market, what is going on in the market, what is the situation, and what direction you can trade. If we'll check MKL5 website, and if we'll compare like a market where you can buy robots and indicators way more popular, because still there are some people that don't trust to the robots. They don't understand how they are working, what they are showing. And in some point we create a lot of the different indicators that I really think they are good and they can really help you to generate a big profit. Let me tell you the example. If you are in trading for a long time, or if you are new, you heard or you will hear about the strategy calling the Elliots of waves of Elliots. And this is very good and strong strategy. And if someone read the book like previous years, like a first edition of interpretation of the strategy, and if you will give the same market, the same piece of market to 10 people who interested in the strategy, they will identify those waves in the different ways. But if you will find some instruments and the ways of interpretations in the next books, not from Elliott but from other traders, you might see that they were using some indicators and they really help them to trade this technical type of the strategy by indicators and generate a big profit. So by inspiration of all that, we create our own indicators, a lot of different indicators, and today I will show you one of them. So it will be some short serial, if I can say you like that, with a lot of the indicators where I will show you what they are showing in the market, what you can identify with that, what type of the strategy you can use, and how exactly you need to trade. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and we will provide for you with two options. One of them, you will be able to get it for free by opening an account in my partner broker company with the minimum deposit as usually, and the second option, you can buy it through MKL5 website. So yeah, so let's start our first video about one very important and very strong indicator calling ABC Trend Detector, and you will be impressed about the result, how like small indicator can help you to generate a good profit in the forex market. So let's go to my laptop, let's start. So let's talk a little bit about theory, how the price is moving. So first of all, we can see some candles. You see some candles and some summary of those candles creating some movement. It's calling impulse. So you can see there was impulse down, there was impulse up, impulse down, impulse up, and some pattern of those impulses creating for us some trend. What kind of pattern we are using in our indicator? So it's simple indicator, but you can see how strong, how many algorithms and an idea we put there. We using algorithm, especially from these waves that I'm talking that I told you in the beginning of the video. It's calling A, B, C, where we can see some trend, impulse, then correction, and proof of the trend. So in that point, when the second trend, it's calling C, will break the high of the previous impulse calling A and correction calling B, it start drawing for us some trend. So trend is starting, and if we will go to see this indicator, it's calling ABC Trend Detector. It really help you to find this trend. You can see when it starts drawing this red line, it means the trend down. And one of the most easiest way how you can use this indicator, so it will be number 1. When it start drawing this green line, it will be approximately like that. You can easily open operation buy in direction of buy, and your stop loss will be in the lowest point of the previous trend. Let's look at the chart. So this sell, it's approximately will show you here that you need to start selling. Your stop loss will be here at the top of the previous trend, and you can see that you can catch all this profit. There are a lot of the ways how you can close this position. You can put some ratio between the stop loss and the take profit, but this is the easiest way how you can use this strategy. And right now I'm showing you on euro dollar, and time frame it's M15. Another strategy that a little bit harder, but I think even in some cases it's way better, when we are trading some trends in the shorter time frame, like it happened here. You see, trend down, trend up, then we putting our order in the lowest point of the trend down, and when it's break, we opening sell. In that cases, our stop loss will be in the highest point of the previous trend up. So how it will look like at the chart? We can see there, let us mention number 2, trend up, then trend down, that didn't have much power to break previous trend, and again we will see the trend up. So in that point we will open our position on buy, and our stop loss will be at the lowest point of the previous trend down. And by the way, this strategy works very nice. Let us open chart and let us see. You see, 1, 2, 3, we close a good profit. Again, 1, 2, 3, we close a very nice profit. 1, 2, 3. If we are talking about first type of the strategy, this is more like a short period of time trends. If we are talking about second option, this is more for the long period of time holding position. And there is another point when we can see, so there is already trend up, we can easily start trading impulses, like here you see, down, up, here we opening buy. Every time when the impulses breaking previous impulse, we can easily open buy. Of course last position will be in minus, like here, you know, but there we can trade when it will be trend. We will close a lot of the profits. Here you see, profit, again profit, and there are a lot of the situations like that. So the third point, it's more like a for the scalping type of the strategy. Let me draw to make for you it's more clear. Number 3. So when we can see some trend it's going on, it starts, and then we can see we can trade every impulse like that. Order, check, then order. So we are trading impulses. So in that case, first point, we are trading the starting point of the trend. The second strategy, we are trading the trends, bigger trends. If you are have like part-time trader and you have your own job and this is like your hobby, or you want to multiply your capital, this is amazing way. So number 2, I highly recommend for most people, for most traders, that they are using like a part-time, you know, because every year you will close in plus. In the market, all market 20% only of trends, but this strategy will give you chance to catch this trend, to close your position in plus, and as your ratio of this between the stop loss and take profit will be way higher, you will be in good plus in the end of the year. Approximately from 20 till 60%, like yearly, you will be able to generate a profit only with that kind of indicator, but you need to trade it manually. And the third point, this is more for people who are for the scalping, you know. It's harder to trade manually, but still some people, they love to do that, so they can easily trade and enjoy of the result. So how you can try this indicator, how you can buy this indicator, we are offering two options. One of them, if you will open an account in our partner broker company, we are talking about CPT International, we will provide for you not only this one, we'll provide for you several indicators for free, and you can easily trade there. We'll get the part of the commission you will enjoy of using those indicators. But we have also option how you can buy through MQL5 website. So the regular price is $50, and we have also ABC Trend Detector Pro. So if you will buy this indicator for $200 here, or direct through me, I can give you some individual consultation, because here is like wider option how you can use this indicator, and after buying I can help you with some customization and some things. So I think, yeah, it's fair enough. You can buy individual consultation from me. You are buying first of all the product, and on additional to that you are getting this type of consultation, or you can use it easily for free by opening account in our partner broker company. Easy indicator, you know, but big logic putting inside of it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, because in this channel I will show you way more indicators, way more profitable indicators. And I need to mention you one thing. All those indicators that I will show you creating by our own company trading club. So stay tuned and let's make a profit together.